Today we'll be diving in on how to add local users and external users to your BadgeHub account, as well as talking about some of the user roles and permissions that are relevant to BadgeHub. To begin adding a user, navigate to the Security section, select Users, and then select the plus sign. You'll have an option for two different types of users, a local user and an external user. Local users are someone locally in your organization. External users will be someone outside your organization, like a partner. To add a local user, simply type the name and their email. You'll also be able to select their preferred language and their role. There are various types of roles that you can assign to a user in BadgeHub. You'll notice that there are different options for administrators and managers. The main difference between administrator and managers is that administrators have the ability to edit devices and delete devices. You'll notice there are different options such as access control administrator and access control manager. This deals with things like reader profiles, setting up schedules, etc. There are things such as app administrator and app manager. This has to deal with creating apps, creating new form layouts, and adding new fields to your screens. Billing manager will be able to view invoices, update payment methods, and make any other billing changes. Data integration will have the ability to import data or export data. Global administrator gives you the option to have all these roles. Printer manager and reader manager allow you to manage the actual devices on your account. And then report viewer and security manager give you the option to view reports, while security manager allows you to add new users to your BadgeHub account. For this example, we'll assign the local user as global admin and click add. We also have the option to add an external user. So we'll select the plus sign once more, select the external tab, and then select the external user from your drop-down list. Your partner account will be able to add them to the external list so that they appear. You'll then be able to assign a role to that external user. Once the user has been added, you'll then need to give the user permissions to use in BadgeHub. Let's start with giving them permissions to view certain apps in the BadgeHub client. Select Manage next to Permissions, then select the plus sign next to Apps, and select the app you would like the user to have access to, and then click Save. You'll then be able to change what roles they have within this app, such as editing cardholder data, issuing both a physical and virtual badge, or deleting data. You will also give them the ability to be able to log into Studio, our card production software, and give them the ability to create and edit badges. Once selected, click Save. If you have any other questions, please reach out. We're always here to help.